Hello, welcome everyone to day 2 of AIM Summit. For those of you who weren't here yesterday, my name's Rachel and I will be your MC over the rest of the day. I apologise for the late start. We have someone who is clearly very loved in the room, so I wanted to make sure you all had a chance to take your picture with him. A little bit about the structure today. We will be having a very special keynote on mental health, and then the rest of the day will be focused on crypto across many different forms. So Bitcoin mining, Web3, venture capital investing, and DeFi. A couple of thank yous before I introduce our first speaker to the stage. Thank you to our strategic partner, Dalma Capital, and all our gold sponsors. Hive Blockchain Technologies, the Family Office, Marathon, Merkle Standard, Binance, and CoinShares. I also want to give a huge thank you, because Raha is actually in the room now, to Raha and all the hardworking production team and our often overlooked fabulous technical team at the back. If we could just give a big round of applause to the AIM Summit team. And with that, I would like to invite for opening remarks Zachary Cefaratti, the founder of Dalma Capital. Zachary.
Good morning. Welcome back to day 2 of AIM Summit's 13th edition conference. Yesterday, we covered a variety of macro themes ranging from key issues in monetary policy, inflationary and stagflationary risks, energy transition dynamics, and the near-term landscape for green energy investment. Geopolitics, geoeconomics, the implications of key market vitals for both traditional and alternative practitioners and participants as they seek to make prudent asset allocations and portfolio management decisions, and how those decisions may differ today and in this cycle from previous cycles. Today promises to bring another interesting lineup of panel discussions as we zoom in on some of the most critical topics and issues in facing emerging technological advancements such as cryptocurrency, decentralized finance, Web3, crypto mining, venture capital, and how those key institutional players such as private equity firms and venture capitalists should position their portfolios in light of the heightened industry volatility underscored by further uncertainty with the broader economic outlook. As it specifically relates to the broader digital emerging asset ecosystem, we find ourselves in a time of excess uncertainty over whether there exists an asymmetric relationship between economic policy and market uncertainty with the crypto and blockchain industry, as well as macroeconomic impact of various cryptocurrency regulation alternatives fueled in part by fault lines in major market moving events. The crypto industry has experienced an incredibly tumultuous year, as we saw Bitcoin's near all-time high coinciding with what would ultimately lead to a severe correction in the downfall of many institutions that made a business of or relied heavily upon providing leverage to the crypto industry, who fell into a negative feedback loop of risk-off and deleveraging. This in turn led to rapid deleveraging, with the riskiest and most unsustainable leverage being flushed out of the system first, ultimately extending to the credit death spiral that we've taken to witness over the preceding several months. Has this signaled the bottom of the deleveraging cycle and what became an unsustainable debt-infused bubble? Will crypto find a bottom and rebuild on more sustainable footing without the unsustainable leverage underpinning it? How will regulators respond to the series of events as economic fallout from these fractures spills over into the real economy and posing a threat to markets and economic stability? As the crypto industry looks ahead, we continue to see unwavering determination from the industry leaders to seeking proper controls and advancements in proven technologies use cases to continue the trend of increasing adoption rates and maturation of the industry. As we look ahead, we remain highly optimistic about the prospective outcomes of the crypto and blockchain ecosystem. So with that, please join us in welcoming a series of exciting panelists over the course of the day, and we hope that the conference allows you to connect with the ideas, the people, the institutions, and the markets that will help you serve piecing together the dynamics of the emerging digital asset class and venture asset class to succeed in navigating the new alternative investment landscape ahead. Despite having highlighted some fairly stressful sounding discussions about market deleveraging, whether the market has bottomed. We actually also wanted to start the day with a little mental health journey, and I'm excited to have that as our leading discussion today. Thank you very much.